All right, here we are, day 12 of our February daily math. Number 1, draw a quadrilateral that is not a square or a rectangle. Now, a quadrilateral, quad meaning four, four-sided shape. That's a closed figure, okay? And it can't be a square, and it cannot be a rectangle. So let's put one line down here. Okay, and we can have one like that and one like that. That should be straight, by the way. And how about this one has an angle? There. That is a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided figure. It's all straight lines. It's closed. And it's not a square or a rectangle. There are some other options as well. You could go like this. That's technically a trapezoid, right? How many Valentines did Lucian receive in all? Okay, well, we had 8, 12. Here's another 8. And there's 4. Because each letter is worth 4, remember that? So 12 plus 8 equals 20. Plus 8 is 28. Plus 4 more. 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 Valentines. Good. So how many Valentines? 32 Valentines. Monica took Monkey Shines to music class today. The kids sang for 10 minutes, played a music matching game for 12 minutes, and then played instruments until class was over. If music class is 45 minutes long, how long did they play instruments? So again, they sang for 10 minutes and played a game for 12 minutes. So 10 plus 12 equals 22. Okay? The rest of the time, they sang or played a musical instrument. So the class is 45 minutes long. So if we take away the time that they sang and take away the time that they played the matching game, that would give us how long they played instruments. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 23 minutes. All right. Skip count by sevens. So we have 7 times 2 is 14. Times 3, 21. Times 4, 28. Okay? Times 5 is 35. Times 6, 42. Times 7, 49. Times 8, 56. Times 9, 63. And times 10 is 70. So, you can see which one is the odd number that you times 7 by. So times 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They're also odd. And now watch the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All those are even numbers, so they have to end in an even number. If you remember, odd times odd is odd. Odd times even is even. All right, here we go. Draw a polygon on this grid with an area of 30 square units. Well, I'm going to think of a 6 times 5. So I'm going to have 6 on one side, 5 on another. Because if I do that, or 5 by 6, that would be 30, because 5 times 6 is 30. I don't think there's 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I can't do 10, because that would be too much. I was going to do 10 by 3. But if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I could use all of those and go to the end. So all of this inside of here is an area of 30, because 5 times 6 equals 30. All right, boys and girls, great work on that today. Let me know if you had any questions on anything, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 13.